Hello friends, welcome to Dharma Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss finite and infinite sets. So what is meant by finite and what is meant by infinite? What are the examples? What are the concepts here involved? And what is the definition for finite and infinite sets? And we will see the what are the different methods to represent and how to calculate how many distinct elements are present in each and every set. So I divided here finite. Actually, these are the based on the concepts I took like this: finite and infinite. So in that finite, we can take empty set and non-empty finite set. Non-empty finite set. Empty set means there is no existence of any elements in the set. Then that is called a empty set. Sorry, empty set. I already explained empty set. All the concepts are there in playlist in our channel. Try to watch. Non-empty finite set means this is not empty set. Finite means certain number is existed. Up to you can calculate. So finite means we can calculate how many numbers are there, how many elements are there, how many objects are there. Like that we can calculate. That is non-empty finite set. So infinite sets, why I took roster form, not in roster form. Infinite set, some type of infinite sets we can write it in a roster form, and some type of infinite sets we cannot write in roster form. So that is the case. So what is the definition for finite set? A set which is empty or consists of a definite number of elements is called finite. So they are telling that if it is a empty also, that is finite set. Empty means we can say there is no element. We can say something about that set. That is empty. There is no existence of elements, that is finite. Consist of definite number of elements is also, you can calculate how many numbers are there, how many definite numbers are there, how many different number of elements are there in a given set, that is finite set. Otherwise the set is called infinite. So first we'll see some examples, finite and infinite, and we'll take it as this one. So first one, let's take a set. Here 1 2, let's write it, a set 1 2 3 4, like that. If you take like this, then here you can say how many number of elements are present in the set. You can call it as n of s, n of a, that will be equal to 4. Why? Because here 1 2 3 4. Then let's take it b, letters. Then how many elements? a e I o u. So let's take it like this. That implies how many elements are there present in the given set. Then you can show this like this, n of b, that will be equal to 5. How many are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So you can take like this. So this is the n of a, n of b, the existence of elements in the given sets. So this is the way to write. So first one, these are the finite sets. The set of all x such that x is the days of the week. So how many days will be there? 7 days. That is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So here how many number of days are there? So x is an element, that is Monday, Tuesday, like that, Sunday. You have to write. So that one you can take here. Let's write it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many are there? 7 days are there. This is the x1. So you can take n of w will be equal to 7. So this is the number of elements, number of days present in the week will be equal to 7 days. So count it. So this is finite. So what you can write? This is finite set. S is the set of solutions of the equation x square minus 16. Let's solve it. X square minus 16 will be equal to, x will be equal to, what you can write, x square minus 16, x will be equal to, x square will be equal to 16. Then what another one you can write here, x will be equal to square root of 16. We will get it as plus or minus 4. 16. 4 4s are 16. So x will be equal to plus 4 and minus 4. So these are the solutions. This is also, you can take here, yes is a set for that, plus 4 comma minus 4. How many finite is there? So this is also finite set. Why? Because you can calculate how many elements are there. Then n of s will be equal to 2. How many are there? 2. That is also finite set. Then G be the set of points on a line. G be the set of points on a line. Let's write line like this. How many points you can locate? We don't know. So line will be goes at infinite distances. So infinite points, infinite number of points. Countless points will be their existence on a line. So for that it is infinite set. So G be the set of points on a line, that is infinite set. So that is the case, you can take it infinite set. So now natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3 dots will be shown that here it is going at infinite distances, indefinite distances. And O is a 1, 3, 5, 7 odd numbers. And integers, minus numbers, positive numbers, negative, and along with 0. These are all infinite sets. Infinite sets exists in roster form. So we can write these it is satisfying certain rule here. So natural numbers will start from 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2. It will follow the natural numbers property. So for that you can write like this in roster form. This is infinite set, but you can write in braces. Why? Because it is following rule. Here O is a set. O is an set, so it is 1, 3, 5, 7. So it is also satisfying the rule, odd numbers. So odd numbers, it is going at infinite, indefinite distances. So it is also satisfying certain rule. So you can write like this. And integers also satisfying certain rules. So for that infinite set, although you can write in a braces. So these are all infinite set. So sometimes we cannot write. So what is that? All infinite sets cannot be described in the roster form. So we cannot be described in the roster form. For example, you can take, so you cannot, some can be write in infinite sets can be write in a roster form, but all cannot be right. So example, you can take some real numbers. So that is, for example, you can write the set of real numbers cannot be described in the roster form because the elements of this set do not follow any particular pattern. So real numbers means in real numbers, all numbers will come under two real numbers. So natural numbers or whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, all numbers will come under. So natural, whole, integers or Z you can take, and rational number Q. So and irrational number. So irrational number, all. So this is following all the rules. So it is not following any one single rule. So for that you cannot write real numbers in a roster form, although it is infinite series, but you cannot write in a roster form. For that I took it here roster form and not in roster form. So if you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.